Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily remove all the silent parts present in recorded audio file in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. I have one audio file here. Let me show you. So you can see here this audio file has some silent parts, as you can see clearly. So in order to easily remove all the silent parts present in this audio file, what you need to do is just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as PopSoft Silence Remover. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now click on this download, and now you will see here two options, installer and portable. So whichever you want to download, you can download. So I'm gonna download the portable version. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract this zip file. Let's just open the extracted folder. You will see here the third file, Silence Remover. Just double click on it. Now you can see the user interface of this software. Now just drag the audio file. Now on the right side you can see here threshold. So just decrease it little bit depending upon your needs. So I will set it to 38 minus 38 dB and keep the duration as it is, and the output folder where you want to save the edited video. So once your all selection is done, just click on this remove silence. So finally we have completed. Now let me open this audio file and let me show you. So now you can clearly see all the silent parts which were present earlier has been removed. As you can clearly see now, only the audio parts has remained and all the silent parts has been removed all at once. So by using this application named as PopSoft Silence Remover, you can easily remove all the silent parts present in recorded audio file in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.